guys, it's me, Tina Ring, with True Meaning of Radiance. Little excited today, just a little bit excited. I have not recorded a video and oh my god, it feels like 2 weeks. Yeah, because I'm 2 weeks post-surgery today. So yeah, it's been about 2 weeks since I recorded a video, so I'm pumped. I'm so excited to be with you guys today. I'm recording in here. I'm probably going recording here like for the next few videos because this lighting is life. Like, hey, like I'm liking this lighting a lot, and it's just the natural light from outside. You guys get to see my living room a little bit, and then there's the kitchen back there, you know. So y'all, we're gonna get into the haul or whatever, but don't be mad at me though. Before we start the video, don't be mad at me. I know I said I was gonna stay away to the end of October, early November, but got a Bath and Body Works haul for you. Let me tell you, they had an email come out last night preparing, because I mean I skipped so many of the sales, so many of them. They had an email blast that came out last night talking about some get ready, tomorrow's $4.95 shower gel day, right? And I was like, oh, just shower gels? Nah. But the moisturizing washes were included. And guys, I'm actually getting away from the shower gels. I'm gonna use up what I have and then do gifts for the rest of them, because I like the moisturizing washes better than the shower gels. So when I get collections going forward, they won't include the shower gel, but if a moisturizing wash comes out in them, definitely will get them because they lather so well, leaves my skin so moist. So those were included on the deal. So I'm trying to pull it up here on my phone, because today is it. Today is it. They're doing it for today only, and you must have the like code. And I have it on my Instagram, TMR2886. That way you guys can use the code for my screenshot if you would like. But if you're doing it online, the code is lather up. You just put it at the checkout. And if you're doing your order online, make sure you go through Rakuten so you can get cash back on your purchase with Bath and Body Works. And if you're going in stores, go through Ibotta. I used Ibotta today, and my store associate Rose, who is actually one of my, we cool. You know, I showed her how to work the Ibotta app, and off my purchase I got $3 cash back. So if you're going in store and you're making your purchase through it, do it through the Ibotta app, that we can get cash back for, you know, buying the stuff you're going to buy anyway. But it's a limit of 15 of the shower gels or the body washes, the moisturizing body washes, and they're only $4.95, which is a great deal. I ended up getting extra stuff as well, so woo, y'all, it got a little crazy. So let's just get started. So I'm gonna start off with the $4.95 deal. I got 4 of the $4.95 deals. And guys, I actually filmed while I was in there. If you want to see a walkthrough of the outlet mall, Bath and Body Works, let me know, because they like did the store a little bit different now. So it's really cute. So if you want to see, let me know. But the first one I got was Pretty as a Peach. It looks just like that. The packaging is really cute, and again, it's a moisturizing body wash. It's shea butter and coconut butter. And at first I wasn't gonna get this one because I have the other one that came out and it was at the SAS, but that one is with shea butter and coconut oil. Yeah, and coconut oil. This is with cocoa butter, so they're made different than the other one. So I was like, yes, I'm gonna just go ahead and get it. Regular price $12.50. And I only paid $4.95, so definitely a steal. The next one I got was the Sleep Black Chamomile. Love Sleep Black Chamomile. It's one of my favorite aromatherapy lines. But y'all, let's talk about aromatherapy real quick. Aromatherapy has all these new candles that are matching the body care that are coming out. I cannot wait till they hit my stores because I really want to try them out. So I'm hoping more of the moisturizing body washes do come out in aromatherapy, because I would definitely get them. And it smells so good, and it's normally $13.50 and it was only $4.95. Let me wipe my nose, make sure nothing got on it. From the new line, well, returning winter, Winter Berry Wonder moisturizing body wash, normally the $12.50. Looks just like that, and it smells really good. I'll give you the notes of Winterberry Wonder. Red Frost, Winterberry, Sparkling Cranberry, Crystal Vanilla. So that's the note in that one. Sorry, the sun just left and went behind the tree again, so the lighting is going to be a little bit wonky in this one, but it's my first day back. Give me a break. The next one I got is a hyaluronic acid. This is in water. Now you'll think, okay, this is just water. You can't smell anything. But y'all, water smell good. This one smells so good. Regular price $13.50. I love it. Between this one and the cactus, I think it's cactus water. It's so good. Like, these are so good. You use these first. So use these, and then you go ahead and put on your lotion and your spray, because it won't give off like this strong scent with them. So yes, this and cactus water are gonna be the ones I stock up on the most. But I didn't get cactus water right now since I already got those 4, and I was already at my limit because I only said I was gonna get 4. I was gonna walk out the store 20 and done. Ain't work like that. See, this is what happens when you go to an outlet. It don't work like that. See, now my lighting back. Now my lighting back. But it don't work like that when you go to an outlet. Just things don't go as planned, okay? So they were having the Fall Traditions line on sale for $5. Yes, $5. Everything in the Fall Traditions line. And I needed 2 scrubs. Well, I didn't need no scrubs, but I wanted some scrubs because all the ones I had were for like summertime and winter, but I really didn't have any fall scrubs. So boom, I got both of these. I really wanted to try them, but I didn't want to do a buy 3 get 3. I didn't want to do a buy 3 to get 2, and I didn't want to pay the regular price $16.50. But at the outlet, these are only $5, so I had to get this. This is a steal, and this is in sweet cinnamon pumpkin. It smells like bubblegum to me. This really does smell like bubblegum. So I thought this would be good to use as a scrub. I didn't get anything else in this line because personally, I don't want anything else in this line, but the scrub definitely will work. And of course, champagne apple and honey. I absolutely love this. This is a heavy exfoliator, so I'm going to be using this one next month with the entire line when I do use my champagne apple and honey, because I use it in October. So this will be in the shower to be used with, and I just got the 2 because I didn't want to go ham. It was just no need to go ham, so these 2 are all I got. I did finally find the last candle I needed to complete my collection for the state candles, and the one I didn't have was Washington DC, and they had Washington DC, and I was like, oh my god, so I had to pick it up. So now I have the whole collection of the states, and it looks just like that. It is super cute, and it's in cherry blossom, so I picked that one up. I also got this for 75% off just because it's the Twisted Peppermint soap. I don't need no soaps. I need no soaps. And if y'all didn't check out my soap collection video, check it out. Like, my collection is ginormous. I'll try to link it up here right now in the cards. But y'all, check out my soap collection. Like, I think I have over 60 to 70 soaps. It's like bananas. But this was only $1.68, so I couldn't say no to $1.68. So I went ahead and got that. And I told you, every time I go to the outlet, I pick up a cocoa shea cucumber for the kiddos, because this just works very well and absorbs really nicely into their skin and to mine. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got at Bath & Body Works. I didn't go too ham. I'm so proud of myself. I got some essentials that I did need because, like I said, I am getting out of their shower gels. They're good and they moisturize, but they don't moisturize like these bad boys moisturize. So I'm hoping going forward, when they have collections that are coming out, they include the moisturizing body washes, because I absolutely love these, and to get them for $4.95 is a great deal. So if you haven't went online, or if you haven't went in stores, definitely go today, because today is the only day they're doing this sale, and I was so happy to catch it. And I'm glad I didn't go for the other sales and I just waited it out, because me waiting, I had the little bit of fundage to go and get that, instead of wasting, you know, my allowance. I call it an allowance. I give myself a Bath & Body Works allowance, or a shopping allowance for myself, instead of wasting my little allowance on you know, a sale that I really didn't want that bad. I got to use it at a sale that meant something to me, that would be good for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be recording a few other videos today. I know Sean tagged me in the fall tag, the fall get to know me like fall haul tag or something it's called. and I'm going to be doing that. Shine with Heart and Soul. I'm doing that today, and I won some prize mail. So yeah, I got a prize mail video that's going to be coming as well. So guys, I am back in front of the camera. Oh my goodness, I don't got no makeup on today though. No makeup because I'm like better, but I'm not better where I want to put on makeup and stuff, but I'm getting better, and that's always a bonus and a blessing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hey. If you are with me forever and you've been with me since 200 subscribers, hey, wherever you fell in, hey girl, hey. I absolutely love my subscribers. I love doing YouTube. It is extremely fun. It is extremely fun, and Bath and Body Works is definitely one of my happy places, and I love when I can bring you guys a Bath and Body Works video. I'm not shopping there as much as I used to, but that's because I rather not, because I have so much, and it's so crazy. Grace is even into Bath and Body Works now, so she has her own little collection of Bath and Body Works, and she even teaches her little stuffed animals about Bath and Body Works, and I'm like, okay, I'm rubbing off a little bit too much in that area off of my daughter, but she's loving Bath and Body Works now, and even her dolls are enjoying Bath and Body Works now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.